What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. As you guys see by the title, in today's video we're going to be installing a carbon fiber fully customized steering wheel on my boy's car. He has a 2019 Highlander LE. We're gonna put it on his car right now. If you guys want a steering wheel for your car, you guys gotta hit up KB_tuning_ on Instagram. And if you're local to NYC, New Jersey, we can come out and install it for you, just like how we're doing in this video today. If you guys do want to order, we could ship it out to you. If you guys install yourself or have somebody you know install it for you. But yeah, let us know in the comments down below what you guys think. We're gonna install it. I'm gonna show you guys how that steering wheel looks in just a second. I'll show you guys the whole process of how to install it. Hit up KB_tuning_ on Instagram if you guys want to get your own steering wheel. We got shift knobs, paddle shifters, whatever you need. We also got some plate covers for off-road use only. Let's get straight into showing you guys the whole process of how to change your steering wheel, and it's gonna look 10 times better. So this is what the steering wheel is looking like right now. We got forged carbon blue flakes all around, blue stitching on the airbag cover, and then blue leather on the sides. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on right now. We'll show you guys exactly every step. This is what the old steering wheel looks like. It's literally the same exact design, but we're gonna go ahead and try to take it off. It's definitely gonna look way better. We have a matching shift knob to put on as well for it, but let's get straight into it. All right, so to start off, you gotta take out this plastic piece right here, and there's gonna be one more on the other side. And do this one right here. Make sure you guys unplug the battery as well. Whenever you work on the steering wheel, you gotta make sure you unplug that, which is pretty simple. If you don't know how to do that, you shouldn't be doing this. Alright, so there's gonna be 3 clips. One on this side, which you gotta push in with a flathead, and then once you take this off, it's pretty much easy. There's one clip right there, that's the one that you have to push. One on the top left, and one that's right down there. But this is what it's gonna look like when you take it off. Make sure you guys unplug your battery before you do this. But yeah, we're gonna get into taking this airbag cover off. So basically just hit these in with the flathead. Yes, sir. And then just unplug all these wires right here that power up the buttons. Oh yeah. Let's put on the new one. Wait, show the new one. Show the new one. Oh yeah. Let's look at glove. You see, KB_tuning, specific fitment, man. No aftermarket bullshit. Pretty simple to put it back on, same way you took it off. All right, take off the steering wheel center bolt. It's gonna be this right here. It's 19mm. Use a socket wrench. All right, so I didn't show you guys the part of us actually taking it off, but when you get the steering wheel bolt, the center bolt loose, you're gonna want to wiggle the steering wheel left and right, basically like you're trying to pull off one side until it's actually loose. Then you're gonna fully unscrew the center bolt and then just slowly pull it off easily. But yeah, I didn't want to show you guys, I didn't want to record while doing it because you need 2 people, 1 person to hold the steering wheel just to make sure it doesn't move. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Make sure you do not move this right here or you're fucked. We're gonna take off these back pieces right here just so we can put on the new one along with that piece right there. You just gotta unscrew all these bolts and it should come right off. Put the steering wheel bolts back on. Once you put the steering wheel on, we got the whole thing on there. The shape of the steering wheel is way different. It looks crazy. It's aggressive. Use your 19mm with socket wrench and just put that bad boy in there. Connect them wires back in, just like that. This little right in there. And then connect the wires back. Now to get the LED screen to work and turn on, you're gonna have to splice into one of your steering wheel button wires, which will make the LED screen turn on at nighttime when your buttons do happen to turn on. We didn't get on video, unfortunately. This is all I have to show you guys. But basically for most cars, it's gonna be where you connect red to red, black to black, and then it'll turn on when you turn your buttons on. Unfortunately, we didn't get on video, but for this car, it was a little different. Took us more time because we had to check which wire we had to splice into. We tried like 10 different wires, but it's all good. At the end, we got it. And as you guys see, the LED screen is working for this car. All right, so we spliced all the wires, connected the LED screen. Spice the red and black wires. This gotta be the best time to show you guys the steering wheel when it's at nighttime. You guys see the lights and stuff. But this is what the shift light warning looks like. Got it all fixed up like this. Drop a like on the video, subscribe if you are new, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Go hit up KB Tuning _ on Instagram if you guys want to copy steering wheel right now or shift knob or anything like that.